In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make a hold frame in Premiere Pro. Hey guys, my name is Scott and I make full and mini tutorials like this one on Premiere Pro, Photoshop, and freelancing tips. So please do consider hitting the subscribe button and hitting the notification bell if you don't want to miss any of those. Okay, let's get into how we can make a hold frame in Premiere. And just so you know, I'm a little bit old school, so I call a hold frame a freeze frame, but they're basically the same thing. I just wanted to mention that so you're not confused. So I've got this clip here of a skateboarder, and he grabs his board as he jumps from one part of the skate park to the other. What I want is to have a freeze frame right when he's in midair grabbing his board. So I'm going to find the exact spot on the clip that I want to freeze it at. If I just want the entire clip to be a freeze frame, I can right click on the clip on my timeline and go to frame hold options. A dialog box should pop up with the exact time code and frame that I want to freeze it at. If I click OK, what it does is it converts the entire clip to that frame, which is fine if I just wanted a still shot of him in the air or something like that without the rest of the clip playing. But let's say that I want the clip to play just before he jumps into the air, and then the freeze frame happens for a few seconds, and then we have the rest of the clip play out. In that case, what I would have to do is go back to the exact spot that I want on my clip and make a cut right at that frame. Using Command C to bring up the razor tool, I'll go and cut the frame right as he's jumping and holding the board. Next, what I'll do is zoom in on my timeline and move my playhead over to the left one frame, and then I'll make another cut. What we're doing here is isolating this one frame where he's in midair. After that, I'm going to zoom out on my timeline and then pull the rest of the clip away from the beginning part. Then I'm going to right click on the single frame that we've isolated and go back to frame hold options. The dialog box should pop up again, and then I'll click OK because it's on the correct frame that I want. Now I'll set my freeze frame out to 3 seconds, and you can do that by looking at the gray timecode that appears when you extend the clip. After that, I'll merge all my clips back together and play it from the beginning. Now the clip plays just before he jumps, and then freezes for 3 seconds while he's in air. At this point, I could put up maybe some text or something like that while he's frozen there, and then the rest of the clip plays out to finish it. So that's how you can create a freeze frame in Premiere Pro. Let me know in the comments below what kind of projects will you use this effect for. If you've enjoyed this video, please hit the like button and don't forget to share with anyone else who might also enjoy it. For more information on Premiere Pro, Photoshop, and freelancing tips, head on over to my website at scottedwardfowler.com. Also, check out my other tutorial videos which I've posted on the right side of the screen here. Alright, that's it from me guys, see you in the next video.